Welcome to TechEGadget. In today's video, the best portable dryers of 2025 that offer excellent drying performance, smart features, and great value for money. Perfect for apartments, RVs, or small homes. Watch till the end and find all product links in the description. Number 5. The Auertech 12 lbs. Portable dryer combines functionality, durability, and space-saving convenience, making it an ideal appliance for apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. It features an 850-watt motor capable of reaching temperatures up to 149 degrees, ensuring fast and thorough drying. With a 12-pound drying capacity, it can efficiently handle small to medium loads, although the best performance is achieved with less than 5.5 pounds of laundry per cycle. This dryer offers 6 drying programs and 2 temperature options, allowing users to customize settings for different fabrics, such as cotton, wool, or synthetic materials. Its intelligent drying system automatically detects temperature and humidity levels to optimize drying time and energy efficiency. The stainless steel drum rotates in both directions, reducing wrinkles and preventing clothes from tangling during the drying process. The LED control panel enhances ease of use by providing clear, real-time information about the drying cycle, temperature, and remaining time. Auertech has also equipped this dryer with a multi-stage filtration system that effectively traps lint, pet hair, and dust, keeping garments fresh and clean. The stainless steel interior and magnetic door lock add to its durability and safety. Compact and lightweight at just 32 pounds, with dimensions of 19 by 15.8 by 22 inches. This dryer fits perfectly in tight spaces without compromising performance. Quiet, efficient, and elegantly designed, the Auertech 12 lbs portable dryer is an excellent choice for those seeking reliable drying power in a compact, modern form. Number 4. The ROVSUN Laundry Front Load Tumble Dryer is a practical and reliable choice for individuals or small households seeking efficient drying in limited spaces. Equipped with an 850-watt motor, it generates sufficient heat up to 140 degrees, ensuring quick and even drying for daily laundry needs. With a 5.5-pound capacity, it is best suited for small loads such as shirts, towels, or jeans, making it ideal for apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. This dryer's compact size of 19.5 by 16.5 by 24 inches and lightweight build of 37 pounds make it easy to move and install. It can be placed on a countertop, mounted on a wall, or positioned on a stable surface, offering flexibility in setup. The sleek white design with a transparent window adds a modern touch, while the stainless steel tub enhances durability and ensures long-lasting performance. Operating the ROVSUN dryer is simple with its user-friendly knob control panel. Multiple drying modes allow users to choose suitable settings for various fabrics, ensuring both convenience and fabric care. The safety mechanism automatically stops the dryer when the door is opened, providing added protection. Its efficient multi-layer filtration system captures lint and cotton fibers, keeping clothes soft and fresh. Overall, the ROVSUN Laundry Front Load Tumble Dryer delivers strong performance, quiet operation, and a stylish appearance, making it a dependable addition for anyone who values convenience and compact design in their laundry routine. Number 3. The Euhomy 110V Portable Clothes Dryer is a versatile and efficient drying solution for those living in compact spaces such as apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. It is powered by an 850-watt motor that can reach a maximum temperature of 140 degrees, ensuring quick, even, and gentle drying for different types of fabrics. Despite its compact size, the dryer offers a 1.5 cubic foot capacity that can handle up to 10 pounds of wet clothes with ease. The unit measures 19.5 by 15.7 by 23.6 inches and weighs only 37.5 pounds, allowing users to move it effortlessly or mount it on a wall for added convenience. The stainless steel tub enhances durability, while the quiet operation ensures that it does not disturb conversations or sleep. The dryer features multiple modes, including cold, warm, hot, and air dry, giving users complete control over the drying process depending on their laundry type and load size. Its transparent viewing window and 105-degree wide door opening make loading and unloading clothes easy. For safety, it automatically stops when the door is opened during operation. The 3-layer cotton filter effectively captures lint and pet hair, maintaining clean air and preventing mess. With ETL and DOE certifications ensuring safety and energy efficiency, the Euhomy portable dryer combines durability, compact design, and quiet performance, making it an excellent choice for modern living. It delivers high-quality results and reliability in a space-saving, user-friendly design. Number 2. The VCJ Portable Dryer for Laundry is an efficient and space-saving appliance that provides excellent drying performance for small households, apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. With an 850-watt motor and a 12-pound capacity, this compact dryer offers strong and consistent heat ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees, ensuring that clothes dry thoroughly without overheating or fabric damage. A key highlight of this model is its included shoe drying accessory, which allows users to dry wet shoes efficiently after sports or rainy days. This clever addition helps prevent unpleasant odors and moisture buildup, making it a practical 2-in-1 solution. The dryer features 6 drying modes suitable for different fabrics, such as cotton, wool, and nylon, and an intelligent temperature control system that protects delicate garments from shrinkage. The 8-hour timer and delay start options enable users to schedule drying cycles for convenience and energy savings. The LED touch panel provides an intuitive interface, while the child lock ensures safe operation, particularly for households with young children. Additionally, the dryer automatically shuts off when the door is opened, enhancing safety and energy efficiency. Compact in size at 19 by 15.8 by 22 inches, the VCJ dryer fits easily in tight spaces and operates quietly, maintaining a peaceful home environment. Durable, versatile, and user-friendly, the VCJ Portable Dryer for Laundry stands out as an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable drying performance with modern convenience and thoughtful design. Number 1. The Euhomy Compact Dryer with a 1.8 cubic foot capacity is a versatile and efficient appliance designed for small living spaces, such as apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. With a powerful 1020-watt motor, it can handle up to 10.5 pounds of wet laundry and 6.5 pounds of dry clothes. The dryer reaches temperatures up to 140 degrees Celsius, ensuring fast and even drying while protecting fabrics from heat damage. This portable dryer offers 7 multifunctional modes, including cool down, warm, hot, anti-wrinkle, air dry, intelligent, and eco mode. Each setting is designed to accommodate different fabric types and load sizes. The intelligent mode automatically adjusts drying time based on humidity, while eco mode combines cold and hot air for energy-efficient operation without compromising drying performance. The stainless steel drum and full rotation feature ensure even drying, while the multi-layer filtration system captures lint, pet hair, and other debris, keeping clothes fresh and soft. The unit measures 19.3 by 17.7 by 27 inches, making it compact enough for tight spaces. It also includes essential accessories such as exhaust duct, hanging brackets, and spacers for easy installation. ETL and DOE certifications guarantee safety and quality, and a 1-year warranty provides additional peace of mind. Quiet, durable, and user-friendly, the Euhomy Compact Dryer delivers reliable, efficient, and convenient drying for families and individuals who need a high-performing appliance in a compact design. Thank you for watching our video on the best portable dryers of 2025. These top 5 picks combine efficiency, reliability, and space-saving designs to make laundry easier for apartments, dorms, and small homes. From delicate fabrics to shoes and bulky items, these dryers handle it all. Do not forget to check the links in the description to explore detailed features, latest prices, and make the right choice for your laundry needs.